Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. In the intricate dance of forestry and machinery, the WC23 XL ARBORMAN planer emerges as a stalwart companion, a veritable titan in the realm of tree management. Its purpose? To deftly unravel the essence of towering pines, birches, and firs, transforming their robust forms into finely woven strands of mulch, a testament to the ingenuity of modern arboriculture. With a low hum, the WC23 XL springs to life, its blades spinning with a hypnotic rhythm as it eagerly devours the fallen giants. Each tree, once whole and mighty, is now split asunder, its essence laid bare in a flurry of wood chips and sawdust. The planer's precision is unmatched as it meticulously processes each log, ensuring that no splinter is left unturned in its quest to create the perfect mulch. As the excavator continues its dance, feeding the hungry maw of the WC23 XL, a transformation occurs. What was once a forest of towering pines is now a carpet of finely chopped wood mulch, a testament to the power of modern machinery and the skill of those who wield it. This mulch, with its rich aroma and finely textured consistency, is not merely a byproduct of the process but a valuable resource in its own right, ready to nourish the earth and foster new growth in the cycle of life. And so, in the quiet moments between the whirring blades and the rumble of heavy machinery, a story unfolds. It is a story of innovation and stewardship, of trees transformed and forests renewed. It is the story of the WC23 XL ARBORMAN planer, a silent hero in the timeless tale of man and nature. A powerful shredder chipper designed to efficiently crush wood and tree branches, aiding in the reduction of pruning, felling, and managing weeds and crops. This high-performance machine is an ideal solution for various environments, including clearings, sawmills, farms, and forestry operations. Its robust construction and advanced technology ensure reliable and effective performance, even in demanding conditions. With its ability to quickly process organic material, this shredder chipper offers a sustainable solution for managing agricultural and forestry waste. Whether you're a professional in the forestry industry or a farmer looking to streamline your operations, this machine provides the capability to significantly reduce the volume of waste while producing valuable mulch or biomass.
The powerful Roto Chopper B66, equipped with a 700 horsepower mill, effortlessly devours 30-inch diameter pine logs, efficiently transforming them into valuable biomass. This robust machine efficiently processes large quantities of 30-plus pine wood, showcasing its remarkable capability to convert raw material into usable biomass. With its impressive 700 horsepower, the Roto Chopper B66 exemplifies efficiency and reliability in the wood processing industry, making it an indispensable tool for turning hefty pine logs into valuable biomass resources.
Chipper Gandini Mechanica Connecticut 50-100 TTS XL chipper. A medium-sized mobile chipper designed for the industrial production of high-quality wood chips. Paired with the class Zerian and Kessler loader, this formidable combination delivers efficiency and reliability in wood processing operations. The Gandini Mechanica Connecticut 50-100 TTS XL chipper is engineered to meet the demands of biomass power plants, gasification facilities, pellet production, and general industrial applications. Its compact yet robust design allows for easy mobility while maintaining exceptional performance. Equipped with advanced technology and precision engineering, This chipper ensures consistent production of uniform wood chips, meeting stringent quality standards. Featuring a powerful engine and cutting-edge components, the chipper Gandini Mechanica Connecticut 50-100 TTS XL delivers high throughput and efficiency, optimizing the production process. Its versatile capabilities allow for the processing of various wood types and sizes, making it ideal for a wide range of industrial applications. The Class Xerion provides the necessary power and stability to support the chipper Gandini Mechanica Connecticut 50-100 TTS XL in demanding operating conditions. With its innovative design and ergonomic controls, the Class Xerion ensures smooth operation and enhanced productivity. Whether navigating challenging terrain or maneuvering in tight spaces, this tractor offers superior performance and maneuverability. Complementing the chipper and tractor is the Kessler loader, designed for efficient loading and handling of wood materials. Its robust construction and hydraulic capabilities enable seamless integration with the chipper, streamlining the production process. With its versatility and reliability, the Kessler loader enhances operational efficiency, allowing for continuous workflow and maximum output.
In the realm of landscaping and land management, few tasks are as cumbersome and labor-intensive as the removal of stumps and roots. These remnants of once majestic trees can prove to be stubborn obstacles, impeding progress and hindering the aesthetic appeal of any outdoor space. However, thanks to advancements in technology, the advent of the stump grinding and root chopping machine has revolutionized this tedious chore, rendering it not only manageable, but even, dare I say, enjoyable. A machine, robust and efficient, standing tall amidst a landscape cluttered with stumps and roots. Its formidable blades, akin to the weapons of a mythical titan, ready to embark on a mission of transformation. With a thunderous roar, the machine springs to life, its metallic jaws hungry for the challenge that lies ahead. Its grinding and chopping mechanisms come into play with mesmerizing precision. The once solid stumps are reduced to mere fragments, their formidable presence no match for the relentless force of the machine. Roots, once deeply entrenched in the earth, surrender to the relentless onslaught, succumbing to the relentless force of the machine's blades. What was once an arduous and time-consuming task now unfolds with almost poetic efficiency. The machine dances across the landscape, its movements a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. With each pass, the remnants of the past are swept away, paving the way for new beginnings and endless possibilities. But it's not just about the efficiency of the machine, it's about the sheer satisfaction it brings to those tasked with the job. Gone are the days of backbreaking labor and endless frustration. With the stump grinding and root chopping machine at their disposal, landscapers and land managers alike can tackle even the most daunting of tasks with ease and confidence. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By eliminating the need for harmful chemicals or manual excavation, the machine ensures minimal disruption to the surrounding ecosystem. It's a win-win situation. Humans reclaim their land, and nature is allowed to thrive undisturbed.
Vermeer's WC23 XL chopper stands as a pinnacle of efficiency and reliability in the realm of industrial chipping. Engineered to handle the most rigorous tasks with finesse, this machine embodies Vermeer's commitment to excellence in the field of wood chipping. At the heart of the WC23 XL lies a robust and powerful engine, meticulously designed to deliver optimal performance even in the most demanding environments. Its cutting-edge technology ensures smooth operation and consistent output, making it an indispensable asset for tackling large-scale projects. Equipped with advanced features, the WC23 XL offers unparalleled versatility and productivity. Its innovative feeding system efficiently processes a wide variety of materials, from whole trees to brush and logs, with remarkable ease. This versatility enables operators to adapt quickly to changing job requirements, maximizing efficiency and reducing downtime. Safety is paramount in every aspect of the WC23 XL's design. With a range of built-in safety features and ergonomic enhancements, operators can work confidently and comfortably, minimizing risks and enhancing productivity.